Hi Uthacons, here our new concept comes. English speaking with public. Many of us feel difficulty while speaking English. We have good vocabulary and good content. Some of us are good content writers. But the problems comes when we pronouncing them in front of public, which makes our senses to feel nervous. Here's the steps which make me comfortable and energetic while speaking English with you and with people. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. My name is Ajay Jalnaki. Then we move on. I tell you in a sequential steps which motivated me, which influenced me and which affected me a lot so that I am here on your screens. So I'll tell you in the 5 simple steps which can increase your vocabulary and your speaking English skills. Number 1, make your surroundings to be in English. Your surroundings should be English. By the survey of I have noticed that many of us are receiving content in our local language. That means if you take an average ratio or an average percentage, 90% of the content which you are taking is in our local content, and only 10% of the content which you are grasping is in English. If you unbiased them, equal them, it feels more comfortable for you to speak English with effectively. And the second, listen to English music, English channels, and more on English web series. Like you can go to the YouTube or web pages where you can get more content on English. I personally recommend you John Oliver, who is a YouTuber, and I was influenced by him. So I will give his link on the description. You can go through it. And third, speak in English with yourself. It really impacts your English skills, English speaking skills. I hope these 3 will influence you the half of the part which now you have stayed, and the remaining 2. To be a good speaker, to be a good English speaker, you must have good vocabulary. To build a good vocabulary, you must read good books like autobiographies, stories, or some volumes like Harry Potter series, which give a good content and good vocabulary. You can go through the daily newspaper of the Hindu, Deccan, or you can go to the New York Times, or online newspapers are available. You can go through them for more interesting vocabulary and new topics. And last final, that is, make a presentation on what you have learned. By making a presentation, you can get more knowledge on that, and by explaining it, you can get out of fear. You can get rid of fear. So this influences you to feel comfortable and more enthusiastic while speaking with public. And I hope you like this video. The more the knowledge you share, the more the knowledge you get. All the best.